For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com. This is the 2020 Toyota Rav4 Adventure, and today we're going to upgrade our dome lights. If you're curious, this is Toyota part number 81240B, but if you're shopping online, you'll look for bulb number 3175. We are installing bright white LED lights in place of the original yellow lights that come from the factory. This guide is compatible with all trims of the 5th generation Toyota Rav4. Start by inserting your prying tool into the dark spots between the deflector and the holder, not the ceiling. The bulb is held in place by the tension between two metal conductors. To remove, simply press on the flexible metal conductor until the bulb falls out. The pointy ends of the bulb fit inside the holes of the metal conductor. Install the new bulb by inserting it into the hole and pushing it against the flexible metal conductor. Slide the light switch to confirm the bulb is oriented in the correct direction. If it does not turn on, flip the bulb. Reinstall the deflector by sliding the tabs into the housing and pressing the bottom part into the deflector. For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com.